You want your kids to be safe and healthy, so you do everything you can to make sure that happens. Hi, I'm Dr. Sanoba Pesa Doctor. I'm a board certified dermatologist practicing integrative and holistic health, and I'm a mother too. Today I'm going to share 5 secret ways of keeping your kids healthy without them even knowing it, along with a bonus tip towards the end. So let's get started.
My disclaimer,
Believe it or not, I have grown up eating the so-called junk food every single day.
and I think I turned out just fine.
I'm grateful, but I know that there are better options available today, and being a doctor myself, I find it hard to let kids eat plain old junk. But the truth is, it's not always easy to get kids to play along.
I'm being completely honest.
But of all the roles, I find being a mother as one of the most challenging ones. I know I was a strong headed, notorious kid myself, and after having kids of my own, I am nothing but in awe of my mommy and all the mothers around the world
Who have managed to raise human beings like us.
to give you some perspective about the type of junkie I was. Like I wanted and I had to eat at McDonald's every Sunday. It was mainly for the toy and the Happy Meal and the strawberry milkshake.
Come on, I'm sure you love them too.
I wanted my chocolate fudge brownie from this particular place and jam tarts every time they got over. I snuck and had cheese balls, Lay's, Cheetos, and everything under the sun that you can imagine after school before going back home.
I'm guilty of it all.
But I enjoyed myself, and honestly, I still do. I'm a big foodie. I still eat anything and everything that I want to and I enjoy having. The only difference between then and now is now I know how to protect my body while having fun as well, and that is something that I want my and your kids to enjoy as well. We know kids can be fussy about everything,
Especially food.
and being healthy kind of feels yucky or boring to them because that's kind of the narrative everywhere. So you need to get creative. But the truth is, kids face threat to their physical and mental health every single day. Pesticides on the playground and on the food they eat, bad air quality, countless viruses circulating in the air, bullying, peer pressure, all of that can take a toll on your children. They haven't still reached that level of maturity,
As much as they believe they do.
and hence it is up to you and us to give them all the tools and support their body that they need to thrive despite everything they're facing. So I've come up with 5 secret but very simple ways that you can keep your kids healthy, making sure they get all the good stuff without resistance. First, use hydration tricks. It can be tough to get your children to drink plenty of water. If your little ones are in the good phase, that is, they're having water without any fuss,
Then enjoy that time.
but remember, there will be this phase when your child is just not having enough water or enough hydration, including their teen years. They need it, especially when they are active. Every cell in the body relies on water to function, and without enough water, our cells and organs can't function properly. They need water for everything, right from digestion to breathing to blood circulation. So you may need to rely on some tricks to keep them well hydrated. For example, use their favorite fruit as ice cubes, or make fruit infused water. Make fun shaped ice cubes like footballs or unicorns. Give them a special cup, a straw, or a water bottle that they like. Create games related to water. For example, every time someone says a code word like
Hello.
they need to drink a sip. Try to use whatever method works best for you to help build them a water habit, and this practice can help keep them healthy for the rest of their lives.
Drinking water sounds obvious, but it isn't.
Number 2, supplement when necessary. There are abundant foods that are good for you and your child. But in this day and age, trust me, you would have to eat a whole farmer's market every single day to get enough of everything through diet alone. I was not a proponent of supplements much myself before, but I have seen the difference if you take the right supplement at the right time and for the right indication. If I have to recommend a very basic one for you to start with your kids, it would be to invest in a good multivitamin. There are some good and some very good options available today. I have seen those that are available as gummies or chewables are favorites, at least with mine.
And I don't mind that as long as I know they are getting what they need.
I'll leave the links to some of my favorite ones in the description below. Do share if you have any good recommendations and if there's something that has been a hit in your household.
Leave them in the comments. I would love to know.
Number 3, prioritize downtime for your kids to de-stress. Research shows that millions of kids suffer from anxiety today, and that's not really surprising when you think of everything that they have to deal with, right from exploring the unknown world to peer pressure, academic pressure. Today there's social media, There are potential stressors everywhere, and kids may not even realize that they're stressed and anxious. Their symptoms may not correlate with the emotions that we expect them to be. They may seem like more physical or behavioral issues such as stomach aches, headaches, irritability, aggression or acting out, excessive crying, trouble sleeping, fear of being away from you. You can help your child manage anxiety cleverly by adding some form of self-care and meditation techniques into their daily routine. Practice something like box breathing, where you
Inhale, hold, exhale, hold.
or mindfulness. This will serve your children well, and teaching them to take space early on will make it an integral part of their lives and health for years to come. Number 4, hide probiotics in their favorite foods. It can be hard to get kids to take probiotics, but these beneficial bacteria are the number one secret of keeping them healthy, and that includes their mental health. Your child's gut microbiome, the trillions of bacteria in the gut, shape, direct, and support the immune system from day one. In a well-balanced gut microbiome, beneficial probiotic bacteria vastly outweigh the harmful bacteria, and those probiotic bacteria provide dozens of critical health benefits. For example, producing essential nutrients such as B vitamins and even protective antioxidants, increasing protein absorption and utilization, keeping your child's entire digestive system healthy and regular, producing brain chemicals also called neurotransmitters such as serotonin and GABA that promote calm, happy moods, helping your child experience quality sleep and supporting a healthy immune system. All of these health benefits and many, many more come from a well-balanced gut microbiome. So it is important for us to keep our kids' gut healthy, and one simple way of doing that is by using clinically proven, good quality or good source probiotics. And it's easier than you think for your kids to actually get to take them, but you have to make sure that you're using the right type of probiotic. And I find the spore-based probiotics are one of the best, simply because they can stand up to heat, cold, and virtually any conditions that regular probiotics can't withstand. I use the one from Just Thrive and love them. You can cook them, bake with them, and even freeze them, and they'll be 100% alive and ready when they reach your kid's gut. So for example, you can sprinkle them on peanut butter jam sandwich or any sandwich that stays in their lunchbox for a period of time, and they will still be active and live. You can bake them into cookies, you can mix them in your pancake batter, or you can freeze them into popsicles, sneak them into mac and cheese. And if you're using a spore-based probiotic, I'm sure it will be 100% alive and will perform its action
when required.
I think this is a great hack for you to keep in mind. I would love to know if you have any other sneaky ways. And number 5,
let them have fun.
As kids, our metabolic activity and ability to set and reset is amazing. But today we're seeing a pandemic of diseases such as eczema, acne, childhood obesity, and anxiety, which weren't major concerns during our time. It's all about learning how to strike a balance. I think it is also very important to give your child some ownership. Our bodies kind of know what is good for us and what isn't.
And kids are very smart.
They intuitively know what their body needs. They just need a little help and the right guidance along the way. Last but not the least, trust yourself. Whether you're a mom, dad, a grandparent, or a caretaker who's watching to elevate your child's life, it is important for you to realize that not every day will be perfect and neither can everything be. In this quest of staying healthy, you don't have to lose your mind or sweat over the small things. I see 1,000 videos and sometimes even I'm guilty of saying,
don't do this or
don't eat this or
don't do that. This is poison or this is toxic.
It might be true, but what is important is to understand your bodies, your kids' bodies, and choose what is best for you and your family. Remember, there is no right or wrong. You mommies have been doing an amazing job and you need to give yourself credit for it. Let me know your thoughts. If you have any favorite recipes or hacks to share, I would love to know them.
I'm a mommy learning in process too.
Like all my medical knowledge comes on one side and motherhood and family experiences are a completely different ballgame. I'm sure you have, but in case you haven't, make sure you subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss out on any new video that gets uploaded. And like the video if you enjoyed watching it. Continue to glow, thrive and shine as always. Take care. I'll see you soon.